Thank you so much, Mamita. And yes, of course, Pradeep Ranganathan garu vindam.
So, dude has crossed 100 crores. The main purpose of this event is to thank the Telugu people, because without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Even for Love Today, for Dragon, and now for Dude, your support has been immense. So I would just want to thank from my heart, thank you so much to all the Telugu audience. Thank you so much, and thanks to my cast and crew.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రదీప్ గారు. ఏమిటో సినిమా ఏమో 100 crores సౌండ్ చేస్తోంది, ఇక్కడ ఈయన సౌండ్ మాత్రం అదే లెవెల్లో ఉంది యాజ్ వెల్. సో యువర్ ఎమోషన్ అండ్ రియాక్షన్ ఫర్ అస్.
నమస్కారం, అందరూ బాగున్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ సో గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు బీ హియర్ celebrating the success of our movie. As you all know, the movie crossed 100 crores yesterday, making this event even more special. To all the audience, thank you so much for your love and support. Without your support, idi sadin kadu. And to all the press and media, I thank you so much. All the reels, memes, DMs, Elame I saw in my Instagram and social media. So feeling so grateful, to be very honest. And to all my co-stars, Pradeep sir, hearty congratulations to you for your hat trick. And Kirti Anna, this is your win, and I'm feeling so happy and proud of you, Anna. To be very honest, more than me, more than anyone, I feel so happy for you. So, and all the other co-stars and all the whole Dude team, thank you so much. And it's our win. Congratulations to us. Always onwards and upwards. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you. To premam ichadaniki chala thank you to all my Telugu audience. Thank you.
నెమ్మదిగా తెలుగు బాగా వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఓన్లీ ప్రమోషన్స్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
I'm learning. I want to understand, so I'm trying to learn.
Superb. Thank you so much, Mamita. And yes, of course, Pradeep Ranganathan garu vindam.